You prayed and believed your whole life. Never done anything wrong. And here you are. You're the nicest person I know. I am the meanest. You have dementia. My life is perfect. Explain that to me.
Sometimes the devil allows people to live a life free of trouble because he doesn't want them turning to God. Your sin is like a jail cell, except it's so nice and comfy and there doesn't seem to be any need to leave. And the door's wide open till one day time runs out and the cell door slams shut and suddenly it's too late.